Hello! After my last pretty legendary first video, I must say myself, I didn't think I was going to be able to top it. Then I found, while I was cleaning my room, this. If for some reason you don't know what this is, you probably live under a rock. This is a rainbow loom, and this was like my 10-year-old self's life. And it's pretty great. I think like everyone was obsessed with these, and we should definitely bring them back. I was about 10 years old, maybe 11 on a good day. Here's some of my old bracelets. They are very tiny, so there's no way I could wear it now. Actually, it kind of fits, but it kind of hurts. I have so many, and I actually used to sell them. This was kind of like the slime before slime became popular. I made so many. Basically, what you do is you have all of these rubber bands. Yeah, that's right. I had to organize it as I had so many rubber bands and I never used them all. Also made a list of more colors that I'm gonna need. I really hope you could see that, but it looks like on the list was black, pink, dark blue, purple, white, light blue, gray, and fuchsia. So basically like every color I needed more, even though I had all of these. So today I'm gonna be trying to remake one of my bracelets. I have no clue how to, so I'm gonna be having to look up a tutorial. Maybe like while I'm watching it, it'll come back to me. Let's go. So I do remember the name of my favorite kind of bracelet, and that was called a starburst. The hand is necessary. It has these little stars in the middle. I'm just gonna make one so I can wear it and impress all my friends, you know, with my rainbow looming skills. This is gonna be so fun. I don't know what to look up. I used to search these videos all the time. Rainbow. I wonder if these are still gonna be up. Starburst. Starburst was like the best one, gotta say. Starburst was pretty iconic. I remember this. It was these exact videos. Oh yes, look at this intro. Let's see how long ago this was. That'll tell me about 2013, so 5 years. So I was about 10, 11 when this came out.
Hi, this is Suzanne for Rainbow Loom.
Hi, Suzanne.
I'll be showing you how to make a starburst bracelet. It's an advanced level bracelet.
This is advanced, so I don't know how we're gonna do here.
We'll need 30 white rubber bands.
Oh, it literally tells you what you need. No, I'm doing freaking rainbow. Okay, we're not following this. I need 30 white bands. So I decided to do black because I'm just cool that way. Let me just count out my black rubber bands. One. I don't know where to put them. This is getting crowded. I'm getting stressed out. Okay, one. This is taking forever. 22, 23, 30. Yes, I have my 30 black bands. Okay, now to the other side. Wah! That was a little bit of a mess. Okay, I'll just take some colors out. So I used red. Oh, I didn't even use the whole rainbow. Why did I use orange? I don't know what was going through my mind, but it's fine. Dude, the only yellow I have are like weird. Green. Oh, this is kind of a cool green. Blue, purple, and pink. Wish I could show you guys my little layout. It's so cute. Wish I could do it on my phone. My little setup. Here's my girl Susan. Here's all my little bracelets and, you know, my little thingy. We're gonna go. We're going for it. Play.
And a C-clip.
Oh, need a C-clip. C-clips are what you use to close it so that the rubber bands don't go everywhere. So here's a C-clip. I'm not waiting for that to zoom in, but it's just a plastic clip that looks like a C.
Place your loom with the red arrow pointing away from you.
Here's a red arrow. Placing the perimeter bands.
You'll start from the center point, about to end on the center pin.
Oh my gosh, I do remember how to do this. Literally just put it on. And then, why am I doing this? This isn't a tutorial. Lexi, I'm filming right now.
Sorry.
That's my sister, by the way, everyone. I feel like I might be a pro at this. I kind of remember this. Like, a small part of me is like, I can do this. You finish on the last pin. You go and do the other side. Guys, this bracelet is gonna be so cool. I'm so excited. Okay, guys, we got it. The black around the inside or outside, whatever. Okay, placing the starburst bands. Yes, this is what we want.
From the second pin from the middle, second pin to the right. Placing the bands clockwise around the center, form the first starburst.
Which way clockwise? Okay. Okay, she's going really fast for me. I can't keep up. Forward. Perfect. Oh my gosh, I did it.
You start from this pin.
This pin, okay.
And extend out in the clockwise direction.
I think I kind of touched on this, but people would like pay me money I'm not even joking you. People would pay me money for me to make them a rainbow loom bracelet. Yes, yes, yes. Ah, this is really bringing me back. When I was 11, my obsessions were Shake It Up, Rainbow Loom, Hannah Montana. Okay guys, I finished the little stars part and this is looking pretty cool.
Grabbing a rubber band, twist it into a figure 8, fold it back upon itself, and then you lay it on the pin.
So we're putting some cap bands on. If you guys don't know what cap bands are, they're caps for your bands. I'm so proud of myself. I got the exact amount of whites I needed. Let's go, Susan. Time for looping. So looping is when you use this thing and you like loop them out.
A pin. As I said, we use the hook to pull the rubber bands back, and this blue band up to the center and around. Looped this one, so the next one we'll loop will be out to here. And we will continue.
Here?
So we need to expose that band.
This is really complicated. Oh, I got this. I got
And
this.
around, and next we'll be
Yes. I
around
don't
this
need you. I can get this by myself. Sorry, that was really sassy. I want to know, did you guys ever do these? I feel like a lot of my friends did, but this was years ago. Like some people probably don't even know about rainbow loom. I just finished looping. It was really boring, so I just like skipped it because nobody would wanted to see that. So this is what it looks like. It looks so cool. Now I'm taking it off and I really hope it looks like this. So you just literally pull it off. I remember this.
Starburst bracelet.
Oh my gosh.
Now, when this bracelet is finished,
It looks so good, guys.
finished size about 4.5 inches. Standard.
Oh my gosh, I did it. Yes. They're twins. Okay, now I just need to finish it off.
8 inches.
And I did rainbow
Rubber bands in a single chain.
extensions. Okay, I can do that.
To use the colors that I've used in the bracelet, alternating them when I do this. So I'm going to do red, white, and blue
Oh,
for this
Susan
bracelet.
probably must have told me to do this.
Red.
I watched her, by the way. I watched this exact girl that's doing it right now when I made my actual bracelets. Like, she is the one that taught me. So thank you so much for everything, Susan. Guys, oh my gosh, look. I have my new bracelets. I can't believe I actually did this. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this and thought this was kind of funny, me recreating it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to like it and tell your friends. And be sure to subscribe too if you want to see more fun videos. Because I'm probably going to be posting a lot in the summer just because I have so much free time. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!